Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a closer look at the new release from Solido at the 1/18 scale. We have the E36 M3 with this color combination of mint green and black, which looks stunning. I really like the color. I know they made a special edition version of the E30 in the same color. I think it was only for France. Let's start in the front. Everything looks pretty good, a lot of details. Also have this front splitter, the fog lights in yellow. Next we have the wheels, which look pretty good. Also have tire rating with Michelin written on them, and also the tire size and pilot sport as well. Some more details here, also the turn signal on the side, in the back the same as in the front, with tire rating. In the back we have the wing, we have the BMW logo, also the M3 logo. The stop lights look pretty good, and also we have the exhaust, and have some details down here, especially the exhaust, which goes all the way to the back. And I like the fact, I don't know if you can see on the video, but the brake calipers have the same color as the body. You can see them here underneath the model. Let's open the door to check the interior as well. Also have the interior in two color combinations, mint green and black. They look pretty good. A lot of details, as you can see, a lot of buttons on the dash. This is a similar model with the Verg 83 version. You can find the video on my YouTube channel. As you can see, I managed to remove a bit the window because it flexes. But other than that, I think the model looks pretty good, and it's way cheaper than the Verg 83 version, the E36 GTR. Tell me in the comments which one would you pick, this one or the M3 GTR from Verg 83, which is quite a lot more expensive. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.